How to create Google form and share link. So let's get started. First of all, open the Google web browser on a mobile device. Then in search address bar, search for the Google form and tap on the first option available there, Google Form Sign In, and navigate to its official website. Now once in there, you can see plus icon available there. Tap on it and create a new Google form. Here, all you have to do is enter a title and description for your form and add questions. So I'm only adding one question. After you add on the question, then you'll have to choose from multiple question, search, answer, checkboxes, etc. Now provide the options by simply tapping on the add option available there. And once all the option is done and your form is created properly, then all you have to do is tap on the publish option available at the top right corner of your screen. So we are only keeping this much as a Google form for an example. Now once tapped on the publish, it will be published to the person you have granted access to. Now what you need to do is simply tap on the published option available again in order to share the link. Now there you can see copy responder link option available there. Simply copy it and send it to anyone you want them to respond to your Google form. So that is it. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching.